You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move.
Did we do the right thing?
Of course we did the right thing. What are we talking about?
This, the job, the move.
Yeah, it's only been 2 months. The kids will adjust.
And you're sure I didn't push us into this?
Absolutely not. I mean, Adam's beyond thrilled being closer to the dark halls of conspiracy. Caroline hated living on a horse farm.
But now she misses her boyfriend.
Yeah, and if she were back at home, she'd be dramatically upset about something else. Why? She's a 15-year-old girl, honey. Oh.
See, you called it home. The place that we used to live.
Well, it's gonna take a while for her to stop feeling like home.
You really like it in Georgetown?
I love it in Georgetown. Are you kidding me? I'm a religions professor at a Jesuit university. It's like being one of the Beatles.
So, we're okay?
Yes. Yeah, we're fine.
You know, we used to have numerous sex.
You're overthinking this, babe. Don't overthink.
Is it that I have too much masculine energy? Some men are turned off by women in positions of power.
I am completely attracted to women in positions of power. I am completely attracted to masculine energy.
All we need is hope, and for that we have each other, and for that we have each other.